The history of the guitar stretches back over 4,000 years, and early forms of the instrument were played in ancient Babylon, Europe, and the Americas. It changed and evolved a lot over the centuries, and is believed to be a development of the lute. Now, let's look at the different parts of the guitar, with help from the diagram on your screen. First of all, here are the tuning pegs. This is the nut. These spaces are called frets. And this is the fingerboard. This hole is called the sound hole. This is the bridge. And finally, these are the 6 strings of the guitar. Looking after your guitar is very important. So here are some useful tips to help you keep your guitar in good condition. First, if you can, try to keep your guitar in a strong protective case. Second, be careful when changing or tightening strings in case they snap. Third, remember to change your strings at least every 6 months to get the best possible sound from your guitar. Fourth, clean your guitar regularly using a clean cloth. Fifth, in general terms, try to use a thin plectrum, especially for faster tunes. But you may wish to use a thicker plectrum for some slower tunes. Through trial and error, you will find plectrums that work best for you. Sixth, practice regularly. Playing for even 10 to 20 minutes every day is far more beneficial than playing for a few hours once or twice a week. So do your best to practice on a daily basis, and you will see dramatic results. Seventh, don't be too worried if your fingers are a little sore when you're starting to learn the guitar. This is perfectly normal. Keep practicing, and over time, the skin on your fingertips will harden, allowing you to play for much longer periods of time. Eighth, remember to keep your fingernails short so you can press down properly on the fingerboard. Ninth, have fun. Remember that you began playing a musical instrument for enjoyment. Don't be too hard on yourself if you find that you are making mistakes. This is perfectly natural. You will find yourself getting better and better over time. So keep up the good practice. 10th, one of the most important things to remember is to keep revising all the tunes and exercises. Also, don't feel under pressure to move on to the next lesson until you are ready to do so. Remember to take your time and progress through the program at your own pace. 11th, and finally, if you are feeling a little tired from playing, take a short break and go back feeling more refreshed.